Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 4, The Formation of the Worlds. Adorned by the various great vows of the enlightening being's boundless sea of virtues, these lands simultaneously produce sublime sounds shaking the network of the lands of the 10 directions. The oceans of being's acts is vast, immeasurable. According to the results they effect, the lands are each different. The adornments in all places can tell of this by the Buddha's powers. The spiritual powers of Buddhas past, present, and future appear throughout the oceans of lands. In each phenomenon, all the Buddhas appear. Thus do they purify, you should observe. Past, future, and present eons, all lands in the 10 directions, and all the adornments therein, all appear in each land. In all phenomena are countless Buddhas, as many as beings filling the world. In order to teach, they produce mystic effects whereby they adorn the oceans of lands. All the adornments emit beautiful clouds of various flowers and fragrant flames, with clouds of jewels appearing as well. The oceans of worlds are embellished with these. All sites of enlightenment in the 10 directions are complete with all kinds of adornment. Flowing lights spread afar like clouds of color. All are shown in this ocean of lands. The practice of the vows of the universally good Buddha children have practiced for eons as many as beings. Boundless lands have they all adorned, all appearing in all places. Then universally good also said to the congregation, "Know that in the oceans of worlds there are oceans of purifying techniques, as many as atoms in an ocean of worlds." That is to say, the enlightening beings associate with all good teachers to cultivate the same roots of goodness. They cause great clouds of virtues to grow, extending throughout the universe. They clarify all their great beliefs. They contemplate the spheres of all enlightening beings and abide therein. They cultivate all means of transcendence and fulfill them. They contemplate all stages of enlightenment and enter them. They produce the ocean of pure aspirations. They cultivate all practices essential for emancipation. They enter into the ocean of all adornments. They perfect the power of purifying methods.